Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create and connect to Azure Virtual Machine for Windows 11 operating system. First connect to Azure portal, then click on create a resource or search for virtual machine. See here we have the virtual machines services. Click on it, then click on this drop down, create, then select virtual machine, or click on this drop down, then select virtual machine. Both are same. Click on drop down, then select virtual machine, then subscription, provide the subscription name, then resource group name. See, these are the available resource groups in my account, and if you want to create new resource group, just click on create new and provide the name. Okay, so I'm going to use the existing one, it is up to you. Then instance details, and also see here in the top we have the basics, disks, networking, management, monitoring, advanced, tags and review plus create. Tabs are options. Okay, then instance details, provide the name for the instance. I am giving AG Win 11 VM. Okay, name can be anything. Then select the region. See, I have selected Central India as the region. Okay, then availability options. See here we have the no infrastructure redundancy required, availability zone, virtual machine scale set and availability set. I am going with availability zone. Then select the availability options. See here. Okay, then select the availability zones. See here we have 3 zones. If you want to select all 3 zones, see cost is increased. Okay, I am going with only zone 1. Then security type. See here we have 3 options: standard, trusted launch virtual machines and confidential virtual machines. I am going with standard. Then image, click on this drop down. See, if you are unable to find Windows 11, see here we have the Windows 11. If you are unable to find the Windows 11 image here, then just click on see all images. Then see here we have the Windows 11. Click on it, and in Windows 11 also we have different versions. Okay, select whatever the version that you want. I am going with Windows 11 Enterprise. Okay, based on the version also cost will change. See, cost is increased. Then architecture, we have only x86. Then size, see here we have these sizes available for the selected region. Okay, based on requirement you have to select. I am going to select one CPU on 3.5 gigabytes memory. Okay, then come down, then see here navigation is by default disabled, and administrator account, provide the admin account, AG admin, it must satisfy these conditions. Then provide the password must satisfy these 2 conditions. Then inbound portals, see by default it is selected RDP 3389. If you want HTTP and HTTPS, you have to select. So license, and see here licensing, I confirm I have an eligible Windows 11 licensing multi-tenant sites. I don't have, then click on next. That is disks. Here OS disk, see by default it is selected 127 gigabytes, and if you want like 2 TBs, if you select it, cost will change. Wait a moment, it will populate the estimated cost. See here, this is the estimated cost. I am going with minimal for this demo purpose. Then OS disk type, I am going with standard SSD, and see here the option delete with VM. It is selected. If you delete the virtual machine, this OS disk will be deleted if you select this option. Okay, key management, I am going with the platform manager key. Then data disks for this virtual machine. If you want to create and attach new disk, you have to click on it. If you have an existing one, you have to click on attach an existing disk. I don't want either of them. Then click on networking. See, it is going to create new virtual network or subnet, and this is the subnet CIDR range. Okay, then public IP, if you don't want, select none. If you want new public IP, you have to select this new. Then NIC security group, I am going with basic. Public inbound roles we have already selected. Then see here the option delete public IP and NIC when VM is deleted. If you want to delete this when this VM is deleted, you have to select this checkbox. And load balancing, see here we have the 3 options: none, Azure load balancer or application gateway. Whatever you want, you can select it. Then click on next, that is management. If you want to enable system assign managed identity, you have to select. And if you want to log in with Microsoft Enter ID, you have to select the checkbox. And we have the options like auto shutdown or backup and guest voice updates. Okay, I am going with all defaults. Then click on monitoring. If you want to configure alerts, you have to select the checkbox. Diagnostics, I am going with the defaults, that is recommended one, enable managed storage account. Enable application health monitoring, I am not going to enable. Then click on, if you want to enable, you have to select the checkbox and you have to configure. Okay, I don't want, so click on next, that is advanced. If you want to install extensions, you have to click on the select an extension to install. If you want to provide custom data, you have to provide, and if you want to provide user data, you have to click on here. Then click on next, that is tax. If you want to provide tax, provide here. And then click on review and create. See, validation failed for following tab, that is basic required information is missing or not valid. So go to this basics tab, then I think it is related to licensing. Select the checkbox, then click on review and create. Now it is validating. See, validation passed. And see here, see, these are the features we have selected. On right side we have the estimated monthly costs. Okay, if you are review the settings one more time, if you are okay with all the settings, then we have to click on create. So I'm okay with these settings, then click on create. See, deployment is in progress, wait until deployment succeeds. It has created these resources. Now it is creating virtual machine. See, your deployment is complete. Even if you go to notification, see here, deployment is succeeded. Okay, now click on go to resource or go home, then go to virtual machines, then click on virtual machine, hide this one, go to overview tab. See here, status is running, and this is the resource group name, this is the region or location name, subscription name, this is the virtual machine creation date, DNS name, not configured, size, Windows. Okay, and virtual machine information. See here, this is the private IP, public IP, and other information. Okay, now we will connect to this virtual machine, and also see here on the top we have restart, stop, delete, and other options. Okay, if you want to connect, just click on connect, then select connect, or see here we have the connect and Bastion connect or Windows Admin Center. I am going to connect by using this connect method. Click on connect. See, this is the username and this is the public IP, and we have the two options. Just copying this public IP and opening remote desktop, and we have to paste, and we have to provide the credentials, or just download this RDP file. We will see both the options. If you forgot the password, just click on more options, then reset password or keys. Okay, so copy this public IP, Windows run mstsc, paste that IP, then click on connect, then provide the username. See, this is the username. Okay, go to here, AG admin, provide the password. As I told you, if you forgot the password, just you have to click on this more options, then you have to select reset password or keys, then click on OK. Click on yes. Now select these options, whatever you want, you can configure, then click on accept. Now Windows run, type winvar. See, we have connected to Windows 11. Okay, close this one. Now open folder, go to this PC. See here, device size is 126 gigabytes. Okay, if you want to verify the version, right click, then properties. See, storage information, memory, and version information. See, this is the name of the virtual machine. If you want to rename this PC, click on this, rename this PC. See here, this is the additional information like Windows 11 Pro. Okay, so we have successfully connected. If you want to log off, just Windows run, then log off. The other way is by using native RDP. So click on this download RDP file, then select keep, then open file, then click on connect, then provide the password of this user file. click on yes. See, we are able to connect. See, we have successfully connected. Log off or sign out. So in this video we have seen how to create and connect to Azure Virtual Machine for Windows 11 operating system. Okay, for more Azure or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.